The match I am looking forward to, viewers, is between India and Bangladesh. India should win the toss, India should bat, India should put up a big total. As we have seen, they have put up 300 against Pakistan and they won comfortably. They have actually crossed the 300 mark against South Africa and they have won comfortably. If they can do so, because they have the power. Actually, Dhawan is really raring to go. He has got a wife settled in Australia. Therefore, she is the boxing champion. For his children are in Australia. He is the one who as a matter of fact, travels between India and Australia. So the Australian crowd will love Dhawan if he actually makes a big contribution. So also, I feel it's high time Rohit Sharma clicks. He is a great batsman. He has got the record, 264 and odd. So why not he this time come up and play for India? A true Rohit Sharma innings. Rahane is a find. A little chap, he's a pocket dynamo. Virat Kohli is raring to go because his fiancée has done very well in this picture, the NH10, and he was the first man who had seen that and he applauded the performance of his fiancée. So let's hope all eyes are on and Virat. Virat is our future leader. Let's hope Virat will do well. Of course, no doubt about it. Dhoni is the man of the hour. Dhoni is the calm person. Dhoni is a super cool person. So he will do well. I also feel Jadeja should really come back and contribute with the bat. Jadeja has not been doing well. And Raina, the last century was a wonderful century. So I hope Raina keeps it up. Therefore, this is the thing. If we are about 200 and odd for the loss of 2 or 3 wickets, I am sure India will cross the 320, 330 mark. That will be a very big total for Bangladesh. Don't underrate Bangladesh. Mohammedullah has scored 2 centuries. He must be raring to go. He would like to score his 3rd century. Then, of course, Mushakkir. He is a wonderful wicketkeeper batsman. He is also very good. Sarkar is good. So also is the old timers of Bangladesh. And therefore, Shakib is really good as a back. Shakib Al Hasan is a very good all-rounder. He can also contribute. And low down also you have got very good, even Murtaza, the captain, not only is a very good bowler in the opening overs especially and in the death overs, but he's a hard hitter and a good batsman. So he can also contribute well. Don't underestimate Bangladesh. Even if India scores very well, above 300, we can expect Bangladesh, the Tigers will chase it, but all said and done, I am for India, I am for Dhoni, I am for the men in the blue. Let the men in blue do well. All the best to Dhoni, all the best to India.